Now students, let us solve questions from exercise 2.5 given on page number 37. So students, keep your textbook, rough book and pencil and eraser with you. Now question number 1, Mary deposits rupees 2,500 every month in her account. Right? So she is adding rupees 2,500 in her account every month. Now, how much money would she have deposited in 15 months? So students, यहाँ पे first we will write the statement. Amount deposited in 1 month. Deposited means added, right? Credited. कितने add किए account में in 1 month? Rupees 2,500, right? Now, therefore, amount deposited in 15 months will be equal to. So students, every month 2,500 deposit हो रहे हैं, so 2,500 add 2,500 add 2,500. How many times? 15 times. So we have to perform multiplication over here. So rupees 2,500 multiplied by 15, and what will be the answer? So we need to perform multiplication. Now students, ये जो है 2,500. This number is a multiple of 10, right? यहाँ पे at least एक zero है पीछे, so we will multiply the non-zero part 25 by 50. पहले हम वो multiplication करेंगे और जो result आएगा उसके पीछे हम दो zeros लगा देंगे, right? Because 2,500 is equal to 25 multiplied by 100. So पहले हम 25 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, राइट? फिर जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसका हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन 100 के साथ करेंगे, राइट? और वो कैसे होगा? बाय एडिंग टू zeros behind the product, right? So 25, the non-zero part of this number multiplied by 50, right? So 25 multiplied by 50. Now we will start with the ones digit of this multiplier. So 5 5s are 25. यहाँ पे 5 लिखा and 2 carry over. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 add to 12. So यहाँ पे 12 लिखा, right? 1 जो है वो next column में है, under the hundreds column, right? Now students, 15 is equal to 10 add 5. जो ones place पे है 5, उसके साथ multiplication हो गया, but digit 1 which is at 10th place is remaining, so we have to multiply with this digit जो 10th place पे है, so उसकी place value 10 है, we have to multiply 25 by 10 actually over here. So हम क्या करेंगे? 1 के साथ multiplication करेंगे 25 का, और ये जो 0 है वो पहले ही पीछे लगा देंगे, right? So we will write 0 over here and we will multiply 25 by 1. So 1 5s are 5 and 1 2s are 2, right? So students, we will add these two numbers, right? So 5 add 0 5, 2 and 5 7, 1 add 2 3. So 375 is the answer when we multiply these two numbers. But this is not our final answer. 375 यहाँ पे लिखा and we have to add these two zeros behind, right? So this is the final answer. Putting the comma over here, we have rupees 37,500 which are deposited in 50 months, right? So students, you will write the statements in this manner and perform the calculation in this manner for question 1. Now question number 2. New Creation School is preparing for its annual day function. They have planned to decorate the school building with 15,340 strings of lights, and each string of light has 112 bulbs. So students, यहाँ पे how many strings of lights we have? Right? 1, 2, 3. ऐसे कितनी strings है? 15,340 strings of lights, and each string has 112 bulbs. So we have to find out how many bulbs will be there for decoration. So over here, 112 add 112 add 112. Repeatedly हमें addition करना है. How many times? जितनी strings है. multiplied by 15,340. इतने total bulbs होंगे, right, for decoration. So we have to perform multiplication over here between the given two numbers, right? So we will write the statement in this manner. Number of strings of lights is equal to, और यहाँ पे number mention करेंगे, right? Then number of bulbs in each string of light is equal to, और यहाँ पे number mention करेंगे, right? And then final statement there for total bulbs for decoration is equal to, और यहाँ पे दोनों numbers को multiply करेंगे. So we will write that over here. 15,340 multiplied by 112, right? और यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा? The product of these two numbers. So let us perform multiplication. Now students also remember the order property of multiplication, right? When we multiply two numbers, then the order of these two, multiplicand and the multiplier, does not matter. ये यहाँ पे multiplication की left side पे हो या फिर right side पे, that does not matter. जो product होगा that will remain the same, right? So students over here, we will multiply this number by 112 to get the number of bulbs required for decoration. So students यहाँ पे ये जो है number, this is a multiple of 10. So first we will multiply this number, the non-zero part, with 112. Okay? So 1534 multiplied by 112. So यहाँ पे we will start with this ones digit. 2 fours are 8, and then 2 threes are 6. 2 fives are 10. So यहाँ पे 0 लिखेंगे and 1 carry over. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 and 1 3. Now 112 is equal to 100 add 10 add 2. So इसके साथ multiplication हो गया. Now we have to multiply this number by 1, and 1 is at 10's place. So actually हमें 10 के साथ multiplication करना है. So पीछे एक 0 यहाँ पे लगाएंगे, right? And then we will multiply this number by 1. So 1 के साथ किसी भी नंबर का multiplication हो तो answer will be the same number. So यही digits हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, right? यहाँ पे 1 5 3 4. Done. Now students, this digit is done. इसका multiplication हो गया इस number के साथ. Now we will multiply this digit which is at 100's place with this number. So students, अभी 100 की बारी है. So यहाँ पे 2 zeros पहले हम add करेंगे पीछे. Then we will multiply this number by 1. So again 1 5 3 4 यही digits यहाँ पे आएंगे. So 1 5 3 4, right? And now we will perform addition. 8 और यहाँ पे 2 zeros, so 8. Then 6 add 4 10. यहाँ पे तो 0 ही है, so 0 over here and 1 carried over here. Now 3 add 4 7, 7 add 1 8. So यहाँ पे 8 आएगा. Next 3 add 5 8, 8 add 3 11. So यहाँ पे 1 and 1 carried over here. Then 1 add 5 6, 6 add 1 7. Then यहाँ पे ये कॉलम में सिर्फ 1 है. So this is the product of these two numbers. ये हमारा आंसर नहीं है. So this number we will write over here. ये सभी digits यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. 1 7 1 8 0 8. और यहाँ पे एक 0 पीछे लगाएंगे. Because यहाँ पे 1 5 3 4 इस नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन हुआ है. ये 0 जो है that is remaining, right? 1 5 3 4 0. 15,340 is equal to 1,534 multiplied by 10. So 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाकी था. That is why behind this digit A हमने एक 0 add किया. This is the final answer. Putting the comma here and here. So 17,18,080. These many bulbs total are required for decoration, right? So students, in this manner we will solve question number 2 along with the statements and calculation, right? Now students, question number 3. At the college cafeteria, a big thali costs rupees 225 and a small thali costs rupees 125. The college students purchased 110 big and 154 small thalis on a day. How much money did the college cafeteria collect for large, that is big, and small thalis separately and in total? So students, we will mention the statements and the values. जो numbers दिए हैं वो, right? So cost of a big thali, and that is rupees 225. Then number of big thalis is equal to 110. So students, यहाँ पे हमें cost of a big thali दी है, and we have been also given the number of big thalis. Also, we have been given cost of a small thali and the number of small thalis. So students, we have to find out the money which is collected by the college cafeteria for total big thalis and total small thalis. And also in the end, we have to add these two amounts as well. So students, यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? Multiplication करना है. Because एक big thali का cost इतना है, and we have to find out the cost for these many big thalis, right? So we have to multiply these two numbers, because 225 add 225 add 225, how many times? These many times, right? So money collected for big thalis will be equal to rupees 225 multiplied by the number of big thalis, right? So 110. और ये जो आंसर है, प्रोडक्ट है, how will we get that? So students, this is a multiple of 10. 110 is equal to 11 multiplied by 10. So हम 225 को 11 के साथ पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, राइट? और इसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसमें हम पीछे 10 ऐड करेंगे, राइट? So that answer you will write over here. You will perform multiplication on your own, right? ये multiplication perform करना है, जो आंसर मिलेगा उसको यहाँ पे लिखना है और पीछे एक 0 ऐड करना है. So you will get the money collected for big thalis, right? Then cost of a small thali, वो ये है ना. 125 add 125 add 125 repeatedly. How many times? Small thalis कितनी है? 154. So 125 multiplied by 154. This is the money collected for small thalis, right? Do not forget this rupee symbol, right? So यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा? इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट होगा, that you will calculate, right? And that answer you will write over here. Now, finally we have to add these two costs. जो हमें money collected for big thalis, ये जो amount मिला, right? This result and जो money collected for small thalis, ये amount मिला. This result, we have to add these two numbers, right? So total money collected will be equal to ये result और ये result. इन दोनों amounts को add करना है. Do not forget the rupee sign, and then you have to write the sum. You have to calculate. You have to perform addition operation over here below and write the sum over here. That will be the total money collected. You have to write the answer over here, right? So in this manner you will write the statements, perform the multiplication and addition operation, right? And solve this question. Question number 3 from exercise 2.5. Now students, question number 4. The cost of a laptop is rupees 39,565. Find the total spending on laptops which are given to 212 employees of a company. So students, we will write the statement. Cost of a laptop is equal to, and then the amount जो question में दिया है, right? Then number of employees is equal to 212, right? So जितने employees होंगे उतने ही laptop देने पड़ेंगे, right? So what will be the number of laptops? 212, right? So the total amount spent on 212 laptops will be equal to 39,565 add 39,565 39,565, add 39,565, how many times? 212 times, right? So we have to multiply these two numbers, right? So total amount spent on 212 laptops is equal to rupees 39,565 multiplied by 212, and you have to find out the product. आपको कैलकुलेट करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन कैरी आउट करना है, और जो आंसर मिलेगा, प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, दैट यू हैव टू राइट ओवर हियर along with this rupee symbol, right? Now next question, question number 5. 2,550 oranges were packed in one carton. How many oranges were packed in 275 such cartons? So number of oranges in one carton is equal to 2,550. So therefore means as a result of above, total number of oranges in 275 cartons will be equal to, so 2,550 add 2,550 repeatedly how many times? 275 times, right? So multiplication करना है, so 2,550 multiplied by 275. ये जो product मिलेगा, right? That many oranges will be packed in 275 cartons, right? So students, over here this number is a multiple of 10, right? यहाँ पे पीछे 0 है, so 2,550 is equal to 255 multiplied by 10. So हम क्या करेंगे, जो नॉन जीरो पार्ट है, राइट, 255 उसके साथ हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे 275 का, राइट? सो 255 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस नंबर. पहले हम ये कैरी आउट करेंगे, आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है, और जो आपको आंसर मिलेगा यहाँ पे वो यहाँ पे लिखना है, बट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू ऐड वन मोर जीरो बिहाइंड दैट नंबर, राइट? Because we have only multiplied with 255 जो नॉन जीरो पार्ट है, राइट? 10 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाकी है, सो जो भी आंसर